Start by putting your hair up into a ponytail. And then make sure you have an adult present. First, remove your jewelry. Wash your hands with soapy water for 20 seconds. Sing happy birthday twice. Clean and sanitize your cutting boards, countertops, and all utensils after using them with raw food, such as meat or eggs. Wash fruits and vegetables in cold water before using them. Be sure you're wearing clean clothes or an apron while you're cooking. Then clean and sanitize your surfaces and utensils. Use one cutting board and knife for meats and a different one for fruits and vegetables. Put cold foods back in the refrigerator or freezer as soon as you're done with them. Use a clean spoon or utensil every time you taste a dish.